right, guys. So in this video, we're going to show you how to get signed up with Cred.ai. Personally, this is one of my favorite credit builder products. It's essentially a debit card that's going to report your credit as a $1,000 credit card. So if you type in Google Cred.ai, it's going to be like the second link where it says Cred.ai. Click on that link, it's going to take you to this website right here. You can also do this on your phone. It actually may be a little bit easier as you're going to have to download an app anyways to finish the process. So when you get to the website, you're going to see a few different options here. They have something for brands, for partners. So if you have a business, they have other options for you as well. We're going to focus on the one that says for consumers. So if you click on this, it's just going to take you down to this screen right here. And once you click on this, it's going to load this screen here where it's going to prompt you to download the app from the App Store. So once you do that, you're going to put in all your information and get set up. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So once you have the app downloaded and you set everything up, this is what it's going to look like on the inside. So on the far left here, you'll be able to see all your activities. So if you're going to use this as a debit card, it's going to show you all your transactions, your outgoing and your incoming. As you can see here, I don't use this. I have my own bank. I really just use it for the trade, the primary trade line on my credit report. Oops. Right here is where you're going to link your bank account to deposit any funds. So even if you're not going to use this as a debit card for regular transactions, I'm going to show you the coolest part about this, which is actually the stealth card. So if you go to the option on the far right, click on that, it's actually going to look like a credit card itself. This is the physical card that you're going to receive in the mail. Looks pretty cool, and it's actually pretty heavy. I think it's made of titanium, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. But anyways, if you go over to digital card, the cool part about this is that this is a stealth card. So what's going to happen is you can generate a new number every time you want to make a purchase. So let's say you're going to go buy something online from an iffy website and you're worried about maybe your card information being stolen. You can generate a unique number that's only going to be good one time for that one transaction. And you can buy that thing and know that even if somebody steals your information, they can never purchase anything with that card number ever again. It's also good for if you want to join like a free trial or a subscription and you're nervous that you may forget to cancel that trial or subscription. Again, same thing, you can generate a unique number where you're only going to be able to use that one time and you don't have to worry about ever canceling anything when you use that stealth number. So that's pretty much it. Again, this is my personal favorite. It's the easiest to sign up for, easiest to use, easiest trade line to get. In reality, like I said, if you're just building credit, if you're 18, 19 years old, you don't know where to start, this is the perfect starting point. If you're rebuilding your credit or you're going through the credit repair process, this is the perfect thing because A, you're not going to get an inquiry, and B, you don't have to worry about if you're going to get approved or not. You're automatically approved, and it's going to show up on your credit as a $1,000 credit limit. And this is how it's going to show up on your credit report. So it's going to show up as Siren WSFS Unicorn, and WSFS stands for Wilmington Savings Fund Society. It'll say it on the back of your card. As you can see here, this is not an actual credit card. So this is always going to be 0% utilization. As you can see, I have a $0 balance. It will always have to be a $0 balance. And as you can see here, credit limit 1,000. And the coolest part about this, as you can see, I've had this card since September 2021. And look at all those on-time payments. So like I said, if you're in the credit repair process, which could take anywhere from 6 months to a year, you're going to have 6 months to a year of on-time payments that are already building up with just this one account. As soon as you get all the negative items removed from your account, you'll be able to hit the ground running. So this is, like I said, personally my favorite credit builder account to get, and it's very easy to get set up. So if you guys have any questions, we do have a free private Discord. We're going to put the link in the description below. We also have an ebook. So if you guys have something that you have available to you at any moment, we have the link to purchase in the description below as well. It's going to take you pretty much from A to Z on the basics of credit, how credit is going to break down how your score calculated, steps that you need to take in order to get yourself off the ground and running. So again, please utilize both of those resources. The link is going to be in the description below, and see you on the inside.